There's specific ways to cleaning this unit. Don't ever use any harsh liquid, harsh chemical, anything that's abrasive or any abrasive pads. All you're gonna need is warm water, pH neutral washing up liquid. First thing you're going to do is you wanna make sure that you have your soft cloth in warm water and a pH neutral washing up liquid. And you do wanna make sure that you get your seals inside the top of your seals. Try not to be too rough with them, but do go in there and give them a nice clean on the insides. Here I have the Wedgwood and our shelf. All I'm gonna do is gonna grab this damp cloth and just kind of give it a nice little wipe down. Make sure you get the bottoms too. And I'll let this dry out for a few minutes and then I'll put them back in. The best way to clean your Thermador 24-inch wine column is going from top to bottom and ensuring there's no food down on the bottom, no cheese plates or any type of chocolate, etc. And then making sure that you remove all the shelves individually and wipe them down with your cloth. When you remove your shelves, it makes it a lot easier to clean your temperature climate zones one by one individually. And all you got to do is give it in there and go in there and give it a wipe down.